Hi Sin family, welcome back to my channel guys. Please don't forget to subscribe, to click the notification bell and leave a comment guys for me. Today we're going to make some fish, okay? Jeudi, nous allons faire sauce poisson. So that fish is not that expensive, it's very cheap. Look at the price, it's for $13 guys. And li pa vraiment cher, c'est seulement $13. So we're gonna go clean it and put it on the seasoning. Yes, nous allons nettoyer poisson, non? Et puis nous allons mettre l'acide. So today guys, my kid is taking a nap and I have time to do my stuff. Yay! So this is all the stuff you guys need to clean your fish. Si tout bagay sa yo nou bezyen pou netwaye poisson nou. I always do the same thing even if I clean my meat or fish. So si men bagay sa yo mwen fe, si mam netwaye poisson ou bien viande. Okay? So this is my lemon. Sa se citron mwen itilize. So I have the sour orange, c'est citron, saison ici ça mwen utilize pour mwen laver poisson. And then we have parsley, qui c'est persil. We have the hot pepper, qui c'est piment piqué. So let's watch the video guys, how I do it. And please, abonne ak chanel la, sipote mwen, si sel fason sa ou ka ede m grandi. If you're new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe, please. Help me grow, okay? Sou nouvo sou chanel la, on sel bagay mwen mado, se abonne s'il vous plaît, pou ede m grandi. Paske si sel fason sa ou ka ede m, okay? So this is the fish. We're cleaning it right now. Make sure you clean all the head. Toujours nettoyer tête poisson, non? Parce que parfois, kal yo rete nan tête poisson, sinon pas gratter ou bien, les non de poisson a bien kal la dan. Okay, guys? Please, don't skip. Watch all the video. Pa file, pa koure ki sauve yon pa, ki yon parti. Gade tout video pour nous supporter, guys. So this fish is not fresh. I buy it for $13 and I knew it wasn't gonna be fresh. So it's not fresh, but it's still gonna be good because the way I clean it, it's gonna have a good seasoning on it. Yes. Poisson non pas frais, mais la bon parce que depuis me nettoyer, li mwen mette yon bon ko seasoning la dan ni, mwen nettoyer bien, la toujours go. Okay? So guys, an nettoyer poisson non, mwen rinse la an ti d'lo, le m fin gratter. Yes. I rinse it with water. So I try my best to make the video short and all the part. I feel like I don't want to cut all the part because I feel all the part is important, you know. Yeah, mwen eseye pou mte fe video a, pi piti, me le map gade mwen we tout pati sa yo important, and then mwen kitel. Why? Because I know we have young kids here that don't know how to do it, and I want to show them, I want to speak to them, okay? So se pou fason sa mwen fel pou mka montre jen moun yo ki isi yo, si yo pat kokon koman pou yo netwaye poason, e pi ya chèche video a yo tombe sou li pou pour yo ka konnen ki jan pou yo fel. So c'est pour façon ça, moi mette tout processus ça yo la dan pour m'ka montre yo. C'est ça que fait, moi mande non, please, 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 don't skip the video. Watch all the video, please, to support me. Parce que si nou pa gade tout video yo, yo pa avantage. Non, yo pa supporte, okay? If you guys like how I do it, please give me a like or thumbs up, please, please, please. So this part, you guys don't need to take it off if you don't want to, but if you want, you can take it out, okay? So, pati sa, tête poisson, sou pa vle ou pa oblige etire. Sou vle ou etire. Moi-même, moi pa etire pam nan. Okay? So let's keep watching the video, guys. Always make sure you clean the head of your fish. I know sometimes there's people that's giving you a fish and the head of the fish is not clean. Okay? Make sure you guys clean it. Okay? Toujours mettez chaud non nettoyer tête poisson. Parce que parfois, il y a des gens qui boivent poisson et puis tête là va nettoyer ou manger poisson ou bien caler la tête là. So make sure you guys do that. Okay? Yes, I'm new on YouTube, guys. Went over to YouTube. If you guys, so you guys can see it this way because it's too fast. So I'm gonna push it a little bit more, okay? Non pa ka we, mwen suspect non pa we, so mwen avanse li an ti chans pou non ka we. Look at that fish, guys. It looks so clean and beautiful. Okay? Poisson belle, belle. Kade. Guys, if I did a good job, tell me, okay? Sinon, elle me fait bien. Sinon, elle me fait un bon travail. Dis-moi good job. Say good job to your girl. So yes, if you're a mom and you're here and you don't have time to cook for your kids and you feel like, oh, I don't have time because your Asian food take too long, this is the way you guys can do it, okay? So c'est un maman kap vive ici et ou pa gen temps pour faire manger, c'est façon ça ou capable faire. Parce que je connais manger haïtien prend un peu de temps, mais the only way you guys can do it's clean your fish or your meat. Don't clean it the same day you guys making the food. You can clean it the day before and put it in your refrigerator. Prepare everything, and the next day you can just cook everything, you know. If you have your meat clean, you can put it in your freezer. So, c'est façon ça yo nou kapab fè manje pi rapide. Paske gen moun ki sot Haiti ki gen dwa di, oh non, mpa ka fè manje, al pran trop tan, mal travay. But what you guys can do, c'est lave poisson ou bien viande nou, mette l'en freezer, et puis, le ou vini, ou kapab fè lo gen tan off la, chak jou kon ti tan, ou fon bagay. You know? If you have to clean your fish a day, and because fish don't take that long to cook, so even if you clean it, you put it in your freezer or in your refrigerator. When you have time, it's not gonna go bad. It's better anyway for your fish because it's gonna take more of the seasoning. So yes, lo lave poisson, ou mette l'en frigidaire ou bien freezer, li just prend plus goût. Epis l'entre la dan, so li pa gâté. So you guys don't need to do all the process the same day. Tout bagay même jour, si nou pa gen tan. Nou ka fè yo kon sa. If you, sou travay, ou ka di, on netwaye poisson jodi, ou lage poisson, ou netwaye, ou mette l'en frigidaire, ou bien viande, ou mette l'en frigidaire. Et puis, l'eau vini, l'eau ka fè manger, ou mette l'eau fè manger, ou après la prend petit temps. Qu'importe so a fè. Anything you guys doing, you can start it before, Don't say it take too long, you don't want to cook. Show your kids how to eat your Haitian food. Because I know if you're Haitian, if you're Haitian and you don't have time, please do it like that, okay? Show your kids how to eat those food because it's good. This is your culture, because your mom did it for you, and this is the time for you guys to show your kids too. I know it's take too long, but I told you on the video, don't do all the process the same day. You can do it before, because me, I'm a mom of three, and what I do, I clean my stuff the day before, you know. Even if you clean it 2, 3 days before, a week before, it's okay. All right? Show your kids how to eat your country food, because even if you're not from Haiti, so you can still do it like that because your mom show you how to eat those food. It's time for you to show your kids how to eat it. Okay? Yes. Sa mta diyan, mwen di yo, mama yo montre yo koman pou yo manje haisyen. Se la pou yo montre ti moun yo koman pou yo manje haisyen tou. Pa di nou fatige, nou pa gen tan pou nou fe manje, e pi nou pa fe manje ya, parce manje haisyen pa trop tan, se manje de yo nan montre yo. E ya, paske mwen gen 3 ti moun, mwen fel. Ou kompran? And I have a full-time job, so I work full time, then I had to cook for my kids, to clean, all those stuff. So you just gotta create time, Create time to cook, guys. Même sou sot Haiti, wè bagay yo di pou, paskou vini isi, ou al travay, ou pou habitue a sistem nan. Essayez fè manje, essayez nettoyer ti poisson nan ti viande nan mette nan frigidaire, le cut da fish, guys. Car les poissons ça vraiment belle, ouais. So, essayez fè manger non, mette nan frigidaire. La pe de nou save ti l'argent parce que si na travail la pa gen pile l'argent la dan. Gede le moun na travail, gen moun kap travail en pile tan sou pied qui pa toucher en pile même non. Bon, c'est tout pour moi même. Kampe sou pied, puis fatigué, hein? Puis au formal, puis au même ça va. Regardez le vin kalal formal, c'est ça que fait. The only way for you guys to cook your Asian food is do it like that. And put it in your refrigerator. Put it in your refrigerator. But what I do too, sometimes I make my bean and I put some on the small container and put them on the freezer. So you don't put all on the refrigerator, you put it on one side of the freezer, okay? So pou nouvo moun yo ki vini isi ki pa habitue ak sistem nan, mwen di nou kapap la fe manje ya, li met se ti sos poa, nou achete ti bol piti yo, nou mette ti piti nan freezer. Mette yo nan ti bol piti, epi nou mette yo nan freezer, epi le nou chauffe yo, yap toujou gou, yap même jan. Se lo mette yo nan frigidaire, li pa pran, li pa rete fri telman, paske frigidaire a pa kembel même jan avek freezer. Se sa ke fe, m toujou eseye, mwen mette anpe nan freezer, anpe nan frigidaire, epi, gede le, ou pa même besoin etire nan freezer, pou mette nan frigidaire, ou ka selman pran tout bay la lo pral manjel, ou pran tout ti bol la, ou just mette la microwave, and then ou bal minute ou fin, ou pa même besoin mette la frigidaire anvan, ou mette la nan microwave. So I use coconut milk in my fish, and I use it on the rice too. Yes, mwen itilize let koko ye na poisson, et mwen itilize lan dure too. So if you guys don't like it, you don't like coconut milk, you don't need to use it, okay? You don't need to, because it's not all my food I use it on it, okay? Just like for the salt, I use all kind. I don't have a specific one to use, okay, guys? And I love you guys. Keep support your girl. I love you, I love you, I love you, I love you, I love you. Mwen remen nou, mwen remen nou, mwen remen nou, mwen remen nou. Kontinye supporter. Kontinye edem grandi. Se sel fason sa nou ka supporter. Se share de video, partager. Ok? Paske sa pou nou konen tou. Gen jen yo ki pa konen e ma montre yo. Nou suppose aider m grandi paske m'a montré jen nou yo ki sa pou yo fe, ki jan pou yo fe bon ti manje haïtien yo la kay yo pou ti moun yo. Parfois yo pat kon reme fe le yo la kay yo en den le yo grand moun la kay yo. Le yo pat reme fe la maman yo pi le yo grand moun la kay yo ta reme fe ti manje yo. Se pou fason sa mwen fe video m yo kon sa pou m ka montre yo e show you them the love, okay? So, pour fanatique qui paraît même Maggie, si nous paraît même Maggie, nous pas obligé de mettre Maggie parce que l'on fait bon épice avec bon persil, ou mettez gingembre, bon bagay ça ou là-dedans, ou mettez toutes ces qualités bagay ça ou mange ou toujours goût. Vous comprenez? Mange ou toujours goût, juste pas mettre puis de l'eau, pas faire gros bagay, pour chaud bagay et puis n'importe si manger nous ap goût, c'est comme si tu mets Maggie tout. Parce que parfois, moi, je ne compte pas dans boîte moi et puis je regarde, look at that, guys. It looks so beautiful, right? So this is the food, yeah. So I boy you some plantain, moi boy yon ti banane mette avec, guys. Bon appétit, okay? This is watercress I put next to it. Crescent, eat,